you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So I just had a knock at my door. That's the knocking, and it's currently 7 p.m. and I was thinking, like, who is knocking at my door at 7 p.m? Turns out it was a delivery driver, and he was delivering this absolutely ginormous box of Lush goodies. I am so thankful, so grateful. Like, to Lush, if you're watching this video, I just love you guys so much. You have no idea how much your parcels mean the world, and it actually was my birthday yesterday. Like, as I'm filming this video, it was my birthday yesterday, so this could not have come at a more perfect time. Like, I just feel so lucky, so thankful, so incredibly grateful. So I thought I would do an unboxing in a video just to show you guys what's inside, to see what's going on, and I'm just so excited. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, so I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see, there are a lot of packing peanuts in here, and I honestly cannot feel where it is. There's something at the bottom. I'm going to have to put this down and somehow get it out. 1 second. These peanuts are going everywhere. This is a bad idea. Oh, okay. What do I do? We are going to have to just put the packing peanuts on the floor and we can deal with them later because I have no other way of getting this out. Oh wow, this is so cute. I am so excited. I have seen some of my Lush friends receive this and I have been just in awe at Lush's generosity. Like, it is absolutely ridiculous. When you guys see what's in this box, I can't cope. I can't cope. Okay, we're just gonna yank it out and oh my gosh, they're going everywhere. Oh wow. It makes me want to cry. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. There is also a note inside and it says, "Psst, we've got a secret. Something sweet is coming to the Lush app this Valentine's Day. From January 27th, personalise our iconic Posh chocolate shower gel with a special message. Available exclusively on the Lush app. Hope you enjoy." Wow, look. How cute is that? I love Lush. I love everybody that works for Lush. The company, it makes me just want to cry. Like, this whole situation, I want to sob my eyes out. So this is what's inside. I actually cannot cope. This is the most beautiful thing I have ever received in my whole entire life. So let's open it up. Honestly, I really want to keep this box. This is beautiful. Like, the detail, the attention to detail in this design, absolutely stunning. This smells incredible. Okay, so inside we have a little piece of paper and it says, "You're sweet like chocolate, Lush." Look how beautiful that is, and it has got all the things inside the box on the back, so we're not going to look at that just yet. Guys, I can't cope. Oh, are you joking me? This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at how beautiful. It has my name on it, obviously, but like, that is just so magical and special. I am obsessed. I love that. I'm gonna never want to use it. I mean, I will, because Posh chocolate, absolutely stunning, but I cannot cope with the detail. Like, that is beautiful. That's emotional. I honestly, I want to lick it, do you know what I mean? That smells like actual chocolate sauce. That smells delicious. Okay, so let's talk about it. This is obviously one of the customizable Posh chocolate shower gels. It's got my name on it. It is absolutely beautiful. If you guys don't know what Posh chocolate is, essentially, it's a chocolate shower gel. It basically says what it is on the tin. It is a Posh chocolate shower gel. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got things like fine sea salt, cocoa absolute, sandalwood oil, vanilla absolute, and hazelnut milk. It just, oh, and cocoa powder, obviously. But it just smells so delicious. It literally smells like chocolate sauce. That's the only way I can describe it, like a chocolate ice cream sauce. That is what this smells like. It is so unbelievably delicious. I honestly am just obsessed with it. And also, if you guys didn't know, that after Valentine's Day, this shower gel is going to be an all year round item. So you can smell like chocolate all year long, which I'm so excited about, honestly. I feel emotional, like, this is insane. And if that is not generous enough, they have also included 5 more items in this little box. Like, I just cannot cope. So let's go through them. The first one we have is the Posh White Chocolate and Rose Body Wash. This is an absolute beautiful product. I have had it before and it is delicious. This one is a very thick texture, so it looks like this, and it has a beautiful sparkly gold rose on top. It's so good. Oh, it's amazing. Imagine rose argan body conditioner mixed with like a soft care massage bar. It's so delicious. I honestly cannot cope with that. Ingredients wise, we have got rose water, coconut milk, sandalwood oil, vanilla absolute, cocoa butter, rosebuds. It is just full of incredible ingredients. And again, I have used this before. It was absolutely a 10 out of 10 for me before, and I cannot recommend it enough. Get yourself one of these for Valentine's Day. If you have a Valentine, if you don't have a Valentine, if you're having a Guylentine or a Galentine or any sort of Valentine's Day, get one. Amazing. The next item in the box is something which I'm so excited about, and that is the Posh chocolate body scrub. So this is a limited edition for the community drop, which happened very, very recently. They released a bunch of new scrubs and they all smell incredible. I really want to get my hands on them all, if I'm being honest, but this is the Posh chocolate one. You guys know, if you love Posh chocolate and love that smell, you will love this one. Let's smell it anyway. It's so good. It's so good. It's foodie. This basically smells and looks like cake batter. Like, tell me that doesn't look like you could literally eat it. Don't eat it, but it looks like you could. Oh, so good. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got caster sugar, extra virgin olive oil, cocoa butter, cocoa powder, mango butter, cocoa absolute, sandalwood oil, and vanilla absolute. It is essentially just made of incredible ingredients. Like, I just cannot wait to use this one. I am so excited, and I love the Lush sugar scrubs. Like, the texture of these scrubs is just next level. I absolutely love them. So I'm really excited about that. Next up, we have a piece of the Valentine's Day soap, and that is Cherry on Top. This is absolutely beautiful. I love the look of this one. In terms of ingredients, we have got things like rose water, cherry juice, rapeseed oil, coconut oil. We've also got jasmine absolute and orange flower absolute and mimosa absolute. It is full of beautiful ingredients, which means it's gonna smell amazing. Let's give it a go. Stop. I won't lie, when I first saw this one, I was like, that's going to be nice. Like, it's going to be a nice soap, but oh my gosh, that smells so good. It's got almost like a sour cherry undertone. Like, you know the cherry shower gel? It's got that kind of like sour mouth-watering like undertone to it, but it's creamy, it's fresh, it's gentle, and it's beautiful. I absolutely love that. That is so nice. And again, like, look at the design. Oh, stunning. The next item is a bubble bar, and this is the Strawberry Crumble Bubble Rune. I am so excited about this one. I really, really love the look of it. It is so cute, and it is a bubble rune, which means it's almost got this like buttercream filling. Like, it is so moisturizing. Oh my gosh, that's so good. That is heavenly. So ingredients wise in this one, we have got cornstarch, cream of tartar, lemon oil, cocoa butter, and fresh strawberries. Oh my gosh, you guys have to smell this. It's sweet. It is strawberry-y, if that makes sense, but it's not fresh strawberries. It's like sweet, edible strawberry, like a sweet strawberry. Do you know what I mean? Like a synthetic, but in a good way. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Is it like defluff? Is it giving defluff? I think it might be. Very similar. Oh my gosh, that is absolutely delicious. I could eat that as well, but this is what it looks like. It is so beautiful. Again, I could easily get 2, maybe 3 baths out of one of these, so really good value for money, and that smells absolutely like edible. Like, I could eat that. Oh my goodness, wow. And last but definitely not least is this. Now, when I saw this on people's Instagrams and everything like that, I honestly just felt so incredibly thankful and lucky to be within this community. Like, it is so lovely, generous. Can I say that anymore? No, I'm just so appreciative. So in this box, we have got a bottle of the Chelsea Morning perfume. If you guys haven't smelt this, I just go and smell it, please. It is so good. I believe a bottle of this size is roughly about £20 as well, which I think for a luxury perfume of this size, absolute bargain. Oh, get that on me now. How can I describe this smell? Sweet, caramelly, vanilla-y, but like a little bit of like a lemony kind of vibe going on. Like, that is beautiful. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got tonka absolute, lemon myrtle oil. That is what I can smell. It's the lemon. That is so good. Vanilla absolute. You've also got Greek absolute. I'm not sure what that is. I definitely pronounced that wrong. Wow, that is stunning. And I'm sorry, but I just can't get over it. Absolutely. I just can't get over the generosity. Like, I am shook. I'm shook. I can't cope. So those are all of the incredible things that Lush have sent me for Valentine's Day. If you guys have not yet checked out the Lush Valentine's Day range, I cannot recommend this enough. Honestly, the range is incredible. Like, Lush Valentine's Day for me is probably one of my favorites. Like, bar Christmas and Halloween, for some reason the Valentine's Day range just really hits different. Like, it is so good. It's always so fun and so like bright and pink and red, and I absolutely love it. And this one is definitely giving like edible. Like, I love edible fragrances, so this is perfect for me. If you guys want to see again, these are all the amazing goodies I received in this box, and you can get all of these items online, and I would highly recommend checking them out. I have got an affiliate link which is always down below in every single video. Some of you guys have used it and I'm so grateful and so thankful, so if you guys want to check it out, please do. Obviously I do get a small percentage of what you guys spend, so just to be completely transparent, it is down below, and if you want to use it, feel free. So that is everything for today's video. Again, thank you so incredibly much to the Lush community team. I honestly am just so appreciative of all of you guys. You guys make my day, and this was just a perfect surprise. I just feel so lucky and grateful, and honestly it's thanks to you guys as well for subscribing and for watching my videos. I just really appreciate it. So without further ado, I'm going to end today's video here. If you guys haven't yet subscribed, please make sure you do. I would really appreciate it, and this is a great place to be. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.